Timer's on. Good. Alright guys. So he's playing with parts that he found inside the car when he got it. Old school floor mats. How long's it been since you've seen one of them? I love these things till I realized 2 or 3 backfires and all the foam sucks through your carburetor. He had somebody gift him a carburetor. Really nice, dual feed, dual pump. Got the 60cc pump on the back. But somebody robbed the squirters out of it. Both squirters are gone. So that one needs a little bit of help. This one has been on the car forever. Gonna need rebuilt because it needs a throttle pump. So for now, we're gonna throw an old elder block on it and see what it does with an old elder block, just to hear it run. Hear it fire right up and run. Look at that menagerie.
I just threw it together. I haven't cut the line
That's
yet.
a menagerie.
I just wanted to make sure, so I put a clear line on it to make sure I could see fuel coming in. And
Yeah.
dude, I'm telling you, it took 2 seconds to pump it from the tank and it was working.
All we need right now to hear it run, you can play with all the finals later. Let's make sure it runs. 3 pounds of pressure it's even got. This thing's gonna start right up and run.
Should.
I know she will.
Hey, you want to put the cap back on?
Put the what?
Cap back on? Oh, we just looked at the points. They look brand new on there. You can take a peek if you want. I think it's good.
Brother, I used to go out in fields and get cars and drive them out of the field hanging over the fender with a can of gas.
I had the can of gas right there.
Yeah, but are you brave enough to hang over the fender and pour gas in while your buddy drives it out of the field?
Yeah, why wouldn't I?
We had some good
time.
We had some good times dragging shit out of fields, didn't we?
Yeah. Don't forget the distributor caps
I'm not even
loose.
worried about that. I'm more worried about the spring.
That's fine. Spring was right here.
Put the cap back
I saw
on.
that spring.
Looks brand new.
She's brand new, all right.
That ain't breaking ever. Come on.
Yeah, until you get out on the road and stomp on it and you snap in half.
When's that? I don't got brakes. It's not happening anytime soon.
Been down that road. No bracket whatsoever for spring, huh? Really?
Oh, it was hooked off of.
All right, fellow motorheads, CudaBill here. So a lot of people have been following this 69 Camaro or been watching the videos. And this car has been parked since 1985. This was found in near Wilmington, Delaware. It was put up on blocks, tires taken off in 1985. That's the last time it was tagged. The gentleman was going to get back to it. A few years ago, the gentleman passed away. Never got back to it. This was a race car. I don't know if he owned it brand new. We're trying to learn more about the story. But either way, he raced this car back in the day. There you go, rusty and crusty. He had it all painted up. It is an SS. It is not a Z28. They make a lot of Z28 badges. But this, the VIN number runs down to an SS car. We don't know the motorist in it yet. This is not my car, okay? This is a friend of mine's, Mr. Tommy's car. He got a chance to get it. At first he thought he was gonna flip it. Now he's decided he wants to make a tribute car out of it, and he's gonna start working on it. We have already sponsored some new car parts to this car out of all them, out of the 400,000 parts we brought home from Toohey. So we're getting ready to release some video series. Okay, one's going to be on this car. Mr. Tommy's going to put the effort into it. He's going to rebuild the brakes. He's going to go through it. He's going to fix it up, and we're going to do stories on it as we donate parts to this car out of the Toohey collection. The other series we're doing is, of course, all the car parts. 400,000 brand new car parts out of the warehouse in Kentucky, and we're still sorting them and putting them away and getting them on the shelves, and we're giving car parts away. Okay, if you go into our storefront, you'll see we're giving car parts away, gift certificates to buy or to purchase car parts from our store. And what's getting ready to happen next is the I finally get the story out about the 1968 Baldwin Motion Performance. You know what? Actually, I said that wrong. Let me correct that. A year ago, I ran into an old friend, Ronnie Still. He's 86 years old. I misspelled that before. I said he was 88. He's 86 years old. He's closing his restoration shop. 15 years ago, he got a chance to get a 1968 Motion Performance Corvette. After lots of documentation, there was questions whether it was a true motion performance car or whether it was just a motion kit car. Well, in the last couple of months, actually since I saw this car, I've been learning a lot about motion, and I've been learning a lot about 68 Corvettes. And after talking to some people on Facebook last month, we found out a lot more information about this car. Now, this Corvette has a very, very unique story. Okay, so we got interrupted on a phone call, and I don't even remember where I was. So we got great stories coming up for you. Stay tuned for all that. We're going to do everything we can to get more back into YouTube and be more consistent in our stories. Lots of great stuff coming up for the ones that want to tag along and follow. We're going to watch this crusty, rusty 1969 Camaro that was last tagged in '85 get built and put back on the road. I know a lot of you guys like those stories. Anyway, CudaBill out for now.